How to fix Rainbow Six Siege BattlEye launcher error or fail to install BattlEye services? If you are using Steam, open Steam, right click application, click properties, click install file and click browse. Click BattlEye folder and click install BattlEye. Click it. Do it for 2 to 3 times. After completing, close it and move on with next step. Run as administrator. For this, click install files, click browse, scroll down and search for application. Click it. Right click, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Close it, move on with next step, verify game files, click install file and click verify integrity of the game files and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. The verification is ongoing. Successfully completed. Close it, then move on with next step. Search for Windows security. Click it. Click protection history. Check the protection history. Once checking after, move on with next step. Open run. Type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Search for BattlEye service. If it's not having means no problem. You need to install it. If having means right click properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual, but the service status should be in running mode. Make sure it. Click apply and OK. Then one more time right click and click restart. Close it. Restart the device. Thank you.